a Valentine's Day DIY for you. Yes, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this little video. If you do, consider subscribing to my channel. We're almost at our goal. These Dollar Tree bathroom essentials. So in a bowl, I'm going to be mixing up some of this fine glitter as well as some of my jumbo glitter here. And I'm just, of course, going to be using my Mod Podge. Okay, so I have my glitter mixed up here. And so now I'm going to go ahead and apply some glitter down here. I'm going to go down about the 4th or 5th rung here and just apply this. Now, if you have some frog tape or something like that, you can go ahead and apply that to make this a little bit easier. But since I don't, I'm just going to go ahead and eyeball it. Hopefully I can get this done without causing a mess. So, yeah. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing as I did for these two here. And these still have to dry. I'm only going to do about 2 of the little bumps here so that I have a little bit of the clear acrylic still showing. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, I picked up this vase from the Dollar Tree, and so I'm going to use this as well as these stickers here that are in the heart shape. Alright guys, so I'm going to take these cute clip cups that I found from the Dollar Tree and just go ahead and spray paint them white. I'm going to do that off camera after I spray painted it. I will be adding some of this Mod Podge over top. So what I'm going to do since I am doing this is go ahead and add my jewels over top so that I can go ahead and decorate it while I have a sticky surface. Now I'm going to take this pedestal that I picked up from the Dollar Tree and just attach it to my base here that I've already glued together. And I'm going to do that off camera. So I'm going to be taking this cute little love sign from the Dollar Tree and just jazzing it up a little bit for the holiday. This is what the sign looks like after I have spray painted it. And you could just leave it like this. I think it looks really nice like this. But what I'm going to do is just take stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. everybody enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a big huge thumbs up, as well as hitting that notification bell, as well as subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.